Well, it's been both a long week and a short week, and it's time to start packing things up from my trip to Chicago. What a nice time, and this apple's got to go in my carry-on bag on my briefcase, and I realize it's heavy, like that's the weight of a whole cider bottle. I mean, that's a heavy thing, and it's kind of delicate, you can kind of see through there. And it changes colors like cider, going from light, light, light all the way to rich, rich, dark, barrel-aged or brandy, Pomelo. I mean, check that out. Oof. I gotta find a safe place to put it. Let's see. Well, I think that will do.
We like cider, we like ponds, we love orchards and having fun. There is a reason why we do it like this. Oh yes there is. There is a reason why we do it like this. Oh yes there is. There is a reason why we drink it like this. Oh yes there is a reason. We like walking through the orchards, dancing in the streets, smelling all the blossoms, kicking up our feet. We like cider, we like ponds,